Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Wednesday, November 11th, 10:44 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. It's 11:11. Let's look at the big market first. All right, SPG, Simon Property Group Incorporated, big ticker, good to watch for commercial real estate health here in America. Upon the news, the COVID-19 news in the morning, or I should say Monday morning, we had a beautiful pump. Opened with a gap, green candle above the 200 moving average on the daily, wonderful. Followed by a green candle on Tuesday, now a red candle on Wednesday. We'll see if we balance up that 200 moving average. Very, very interesting. Commercial real estate. It could go either way depending, I think, on how the election goes. With that said, SPG once again, Simon Group, look at this. Boom! Look at that, 36% pump upon that news of a possible vaccination for the COVID thing, and look at that. Now we are retracing from that. That's kind of to be expected. Let's look at other tickers to see the big economy. This is Carnival Corp. Cruise lines. Boom, mega pump upon Monday's news. Now, boom, a red candle and a red candle yesterday. So an amazing pump, and we've been retracing for the last today and yesterday. But that is an amazing pump for Carnival Corp. It looks like they could even get above that 200 moving average on the daily. That would be great health. Royal Caribbean, boom, huge gap. It opened with a green candle. Now it's at a red candle yesterday, and so far today, a retracement is expected after that kind of a pump. But boom, it put both those right above the 200 moving average on the daily. That is rocking. As you can see, that news of a possible vaccine definitely rocks the cruise ship world, and you can understand why. AMC theaters, a big pump. Didn't get it over the 200 moving average, but still opened with a gap, huge pump. Closed with a red candle on Monday, closed with a red candle on Tuesday, a red candle today, but still, that is an amazing little pump. I'll take it. Good. Also, not everybody's a big winner on that one. On Monday, red candle. Tuesday, red candle for both Zoom and then Fiverr underneath it. Today, Fiverr is definitely making a strong comeback with the green candle, and Zoom at least is stopping the bleeding. So, there you go. Here's something I'm watching. Completely apolitical here, but I think this has value. The election instability, who won. Doesn't matter what one's bias is. I'm just looking at the market, okay? When Trump was looking good here on the daily, this is the yuan versus the dollar. On the daily, when Trump was looking good, it was dying slowly on the daily. It was going down. When Trump started to look bad, it really, really pumped. But now, as this week, kind of last weekend and this week, look at that. So far, it's starting to trend down a little bit. The market, especially a big one like this, knows more than any individual. So, Trump looking good at dumps, Trump looking bad at pumps. It's not just leveling off, it's slightly starting to go down. This is my who's going to win indicator. Apolitical, don't care, but I think that the charts can tell you more than the stars in some ways. I'm watching this indicator. We'll see how this plays out. With that said, green day in the market. Rocket ship to Pluto for the crypto market. Bitcoin up 4%, I'm going to say. Last 24 hours coming in at 15,789. That's rocking. Ethereum up 5.55%. It broke that $450 psychological barrier. It's coming in at 471. XRP is basically at 25. It's at .259. It's 25 cents, just a hair from 26 cents. Oh my gosh, the hopes and dreams that are exploding right now for the XRP hodlers. All right, Filecoin down, Linkcoin up, Litecoin up almost 3%. Little Cardano up 2.3%. It's a wonderful day in the market. I love seeing ETH dark green with Ethereum 2.0 coming out. Boom! I'm looking at ETH to possibly, most likely, outperform as far as percent-wise Bitcoin as we move into this new year soon. All right, 1.9 billion in volume last 24 hours for Bitcoin, pretty rocking. Slightly over a billion of that on Binance, and then Coinbase coming in at 264 million. Not bad, little Coinbase. Now, let's check out the sentiment, longs versus short on Blockchain Whispers here, looking at Binance, since that's where the volume is. 72% longs, 27% shorts. I will call that bias long. All right, S&P 500 opening today with a timid green candle. Russell 2000 opening with a indecisive little red candle, little doji going on there. What in the world is that? How did the BXY get on there? Sorry about that. I'm looking for the DXY. The Dixie. Oh my heavens. The DXY. The dollar strength index opening today with a pretty substantial green candle. And the KRE for bank strength here in the US opening today with a red candle. So market opening kind of so-so, really not strong, really not weak, very, very indecisive with a strong dollar, and the banks are looking whatever, who cares. With that said, gold, I shouldn't say who cares, just basically indecisive market, banks down, dollar up, S&P 500, Russell 2000 both opening with an indecisive candle. How about that? Gold, red candle today, silver, red candle today. Both rather indecisive. I think they could go either way, to be honest with you. Today we're really opening sideways. I waited a little while today to get some motion in the market to see something happen, but well, nothing's happened. So sorry, I don't have more to report. But we'll look at Bitcoin here and see what it's doing. How many gold coins will it take to buy a Bitcoin today? 8.5. All right, Bitcoin on the daily today, opening with a powerful green candle. That's pretty darn nice. The MACD, I think they call that the fulcrum, boom, boosh. It is now tilting upwards away from the signal. Histogram is widening. A powerful daily chart. Bitcoin is a rocket ship to Pluto, and as you can see here on Coin360, unlike Offcoin that just crushes the market, it's taken the market, for the most part, the alt market with it. Thanks, Bitcoin. I'm glad you joined the team. Okay, with that said, let's look at the MACD on the 4-hour. MACD on the 4-hour has opened positive above the mid-range there. Got some histogram widening. Beautiful, beautiful 4-hour MACD. I love seeing that. That means to me the 2 hours probably positive for immediate price action. All right, above the mid-range there, got a widening histogram. The 2-hour MACD is positive. Boom, that is just glorious. Bitcoin opening strong today. Rocket ship to Pluto with a great big green candle under it. All right, here we go. 45-minute chart for Bitcoin. As you can see, this white moving average here is the 200 moving average. You bounce it, bounce, 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 bounce. We've been bouncing slightly through it and above it for quite a while. We wicked to it a couple days ago. We bounced the bodies of the candles off. We bounced the bodies of the candles off. Now I thought we were going to actually hit another bounce, but then no, actually we are pulling up. Directional index strong and in the green. ADX is at 19. When that starts hitting the 20s, we're going to see some real action. Stochastic RSI are kind of topped out. They certainly can go sideways for a while. We're beginning to see the forming here at the top of this peak here. Well, look at that. That was kind of a Darth Maul doji, at least to the downside. Maybe we're going to see one on the upside. We have definitely pumped quite a lot. We are at 15,843. That's Bitcoin versus Tether on Binance. Rocket ship to Pluto morning. I can tell you right now, I bet you got a lot of people selling those longs right about now. Let's see. This might be the week we challenge 16,000. I'll take it. Rocket ship to Pluto for Bitcoin today. So far, Wednesday, good day. Rocket ship to Pluto Wednesday. All right. Bitcoin price headed to 1 million by 2030, says Australia's leading expert. Hey, if you don't watch Nugget News, it's fine if you don't, but you should. He's a wonderful little Australian character. And he was interviewed by Daniela Carbone, a great interviewer. It's a very, very short interview, and I'll link to it in the show notes. And basically, it's very inspiring. They're both cool characters. It was a good interview. If you'd like a little bit of rah-rah for Bitcoin from two very intelligent people in a very, very short, just 9-minute interview, check it out. I think it has value. I will only share and take the time to slow this down to cover news and interviews, etc. that really, really rocks. So I think this really, really rocks. Anyway, take care, everybody. Bitcoin truth seekers, I like blockchain education. I'm a member and I have been for 3 years at least, I think. What excites me most about blockchain education is exactly that, blockchain education, really crypto trading education. When you join, you click on training, and basically we start from 0 and we go to 110 pretty darn fast. Sit back, chill, and watch the training videos, and you will learn the blockchain education trading methodology, which I've been using for years, and it works really, really well. Exciting, yes, is that there is automated trading, also known as hybrid trading, where you could enter it and exit it based on blockchain education trading methodologies. Now, one of my favorite is right here, the long 90 hot signals. If I clicked on results here, I'll bring it up in a new tab so it comes up fast. As you can see, day of, I did this on the 9th, and you can see the trades that were done here on the 9th so far today. Lots of them are blasted out, and you can see the profit rolling in. So basically, you tend to use this one. It's one of the more conservative ones, and with that said, basically I set my take profit at 2%, and I make 2% over and over and over again all day long on calls. With that said, this is the auto trading performance. You can see the different types of signals that are here, and you can see this month how things have been doing. So basically it works, and that's really nice. I like it. It's cool. But what excites me more really is the training, and even more than that really is the community. I'll give you a quick look here, the blockchain education chat. Everybody's in there chatting away. We're having fun. And the deal is that having that community where you're sharing a trading methodology with both other people who are new and then people who are pros, who are endorsed, by blockchain education, people also who work there. And when you have questions as you're learning and you see charts, you see setups, you can start talking about them. And we're always talking crypto, kind of 24/7 in the chat. So, hey, if you click on the affiliate link, you save a little bit. Blockchain education is not necessarily inexpensive, but the trick is if you want to learn to trade crypto, you want to learn a methodology that works, and then hang out with people in a chat that are using the same methodology, and also hop into some hybrid trading where you can start making money with that, well, it's kind of a good deal. If you're serious about trading crypto and you want to make money, hey, I've been doing it for years, and I'm here to tell you that, look, I love it. I do it. Join. I'll see you there in the chat. I'm Cowboy Craig in the chat. I'm always chatting about something, always causing trouble. It's a great crew, loving, good people that want to see you succeed. And there you go.